Imagine waking up to this every morning. With MirroFlex backsplash panels from Decorative ceiling tiles, you can give your kitchen a fresh new look in just a few hours. Hard to believe it's the same kitchen, right? Before you get started, make sure you have everything you need: adhesive or double-sided adhesive strips, clean white cloths, alcohol, mineral spirits, a square edge, a ruler, a marker, and scissors or a utility knife. Just prep your surface so it's clean, dry, and ready for installation. Measure your space, cut each panel to fit, and dry fit the first piece before applying adhesive. Then press each panel into place, where the built-in overlap helps keep seams clean and nearly invisible. Finish with a clean bead of caulk and wipe away any excess adhesive. Whether your style is modern, farmhouse, classic, or bold, MirroFlex panels bring an easy, beautiful finish to any kitchen. MirroFlex panels make kitchen updates easy, affordable, and beautiful. Visit decorativeCeilingTiles.net to explore the full collection.